Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
How solar energy works. When solar touches a solar panel, the photovoltaic cell.
Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
Let's put our hands together for her next.
Language is called war.
Oh.
Sun is a language. It's called over.
Oh boy. Thank you.
Sun in German language is called Sonne. Sun in Kenya language is called Jua. Nasa language is called Rana.
message, everybody? Are you sure? No. It is the ugliness of the sun. Okay, let's shout it again. The beauty of the sun. So you're going to present your, let's start with the French. French?
Now we use also cotton wool to make the clouds, and we also use cardboard to shape the clouds. And we use paper to make the raindrops and also threads. We use styrofoam to make the sun, as you see, and also shiny cardboard paper to make the face and add the little design. Isn't it also everybody for a wonderful
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on.
Good afternoon. Please, may we get to know you?
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Adiola. I'm a parent to 3 pupils in this school, one in grade 4, one in grade 2, and the other in reception.
So, what has been your experience so far with today's open house?
Today's open house is an eye opener, actually. Yeah, I went round and I'm so impressed with what I've seen. They are so creative, and I'm happy to be part of them because I supply them with some little things. Yeah, so I'm happy to see also my work because I gave them a Saturn, whatever, also. So I'm happy. I'm impressed, and they're doing a nice job. Grade 5 and 6, they had wonderful presentation. Grade 5 as well, yeah, wonderful presentation. And we watched a movie, and I'm impressed. That's the word. I'm impressed.
Concerning your kids, it seems
Okay.
like all our classes, what did they do individually in their classes?
In their classes, okay, they had different projects like a portrait of pictures of the sun. Yes, that was what I saw in the lower classes.
In general, how has the school been for you as a parent?
Sorry.
In general, how has the school been for you as a parent?
As a parent, well, for me to start with the first one coming to this school, and I have 2 other ones join in, then it must have been like a progressive event for my family and myself. Yeah, so um, it's a good school. It's a beautiful school. Lovely teachers to work with. Yes, so I'm happy my children are here, and if I'm going to have another baby,
Coming here.
coming here.
So, would you say you're a happy parent?
I'm a happy parent. I'm a happy parent. Yes, I am. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, my name is Bruce Ifela. I'm a parent here. I have 3 kids in this school. Scholars Crest is from 2014 that we entered Scholars Crest. It's been a good experience with the teachers and the proprietor and everyone in this school. We've never have any cause to regret sending our children here, right from day one. Because they've always give us what the expectation that we always wanted. There are other schools outside there, but the standard here is high and is what I wanted for my kids. So even when we moved to this environment, it took me time to get a school for them. My son was at home for it. My senior son started from here. The eldest son started from here when he was 1 year old. So since then, every one of them be here. So Scholars Care has given us what we've been looking for, and it's a school that can be recommended for anyone. If you want a good standard for your children, send them to Scholars Care, and you get a result for that.
So with the opening day today, can you give us a few things your children have participated in?
Okay, yeah, I just saw one here, the solar panel that they presented. It's a really welcome development. Giving little children that are still in primary school doing practical work. It's something that I didn't even do when I was growing up. But now, children that are barely 9 years, 10 years, they are doing practical work. It will help them. And now you are even teaching them how to do presentation. A lot of people, adults, can't even face the camera to do presentation. You see, but now you can see children 7 years, 9 years doing presentation. Is a very
I'm Imisi Lawson, and this is my mom. And we're here for my brother's open day.
So I heard that you are an alumni of Scholars Cross. What was your experience here?
Well, this school was interesting and it was lovely, but that was like 4 years ago. So,
It still doesn't matter. So how is the school now for your younger brother?
well,
Can I be the one to answer that?
Yes.
Okay, so how is Scholars Quest for my younger brother? For her younger brother and for her, I can say Scholars Quest is a school to be. I love the way the children are hands-on. Every class is very, very engaging, and it's the volume of work we have to do as parents to make them do well in school is quite minimal. Yes, the school does very well in keeping the children engaged.
Okay, so all of the students today, which one is your brother in? What class is he in?
he's in grade 6.
Grade 6. So I guess he's still after them.
Yes.
So how was that? How do you feel with kids of nowadays being so innovative and everything?
Well, I'll say it's actually good work because in my class, but we just started this topic and we didn't go this deep. So I say this is very educative. So
And just to add to that, she's in SS1. Yeah, she's in SS1 and she can relate to what they are doing in grade 6. So it's really impressive.
So would you say you're content, you're also an happy parent for bringing your children here?
That's for me, right? I am so happy. In fact, seeing this, I'm really excited, particularly with grade 6. You know, I see my son, I see his classmates and their transformation beyond just getting older. You can see them actually evolving as intelligent young people. That's really impressive. Well done, Scholars Crest.
All right, thank you so much. It was really nice.
Yeah, my name is Humphrey. What can I say? The school is actually doing so well. I've seen a lot of encouraging things, and the pupils are very active and looking so lovely in their uniforms. I'm impressed.
Lovely. So, I mean, did any of your girls do anything? Was she involved?
Yes, Latisha in particular was involved. She actually presented, and in her presentation, she was what was it again? Was it Venus, I guess?
Okay.
Yes, and she spoke very lovely about it. I'm really happy. Yes, she did very well.
So, are you a happy dad?
Of course, you can see it. I'm the happiest man on earth today. Thank you. Thank you.